Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. Dash is a computer application which displays data in multiple cells, usually in a two-dimensional matrix or grid consisting of rows and columns. Students, we know that spreadsheet is a computer application which displays data in this format. So write spreadsheet in this blank. Next is dash is a file created by Excel spreadsheet application. Students, we know that workbook is a file created in Excel. So write workbook here. Third one is dash is a single page in workbook. Students, we have discussed in the topic components of Excel window. There are a number of worksheets in a workbook. So write worksheet here. Worksheet is a single page in workbook. Worksheet consists of grid of rows and columns where we enter data. Part number 4 is next to the Microsoft Office button is dash. Students, we have discussed this in topic components of Excel window. Next to Microsoft Office button is quick access toolbar. So write quick access toolbar in this blank. Part number 5 is dash bar displays the contents of the active cell and the formulae as user types them in an active cell. Students, formula bar displays the contents of the active cell. Write formula in this blank. Part number 6 is dash box displays the reference of the active cell. Students, we have discussed in the topic components of Excel window. Name box displays the reference of the active cell. So write name in this blank. Part number 7 is selecting more than one cell is known as dash. Students, we have discussed the definition of cell range. Cell range is the selection of more than one cell. So write cell range here in this blank. Part number 8 is dash is the use of fill handle to copy data and sequences across a range of cells. Students, we have discussed that auto-filling feature of Microsoft Excel is used to copy data and sequences across a range of cells. So write auto-filling in this blank. Part number 9 is dash is an equation that performs a calculation using values in the worksheet. Students, we have discussed the definition of formula. So formula is an equation that performs a calculation using values in the worksheet. So write formula in this blank. Part number 10 is dash are the predefined or built-in formulae. Students, we have discussed functions are the predefined or built-in formula. So write functions in this blank. Part number 11 is dash function returns the largest value from a supplied set of numerical values. Right answer is max function. Max function returns the maximum value or the largest value from a supplied set of numerical values. So write max in this blank. Question number 3 is match column A with column B. In column A, first part is spreadsheet. Spreadsheets are created in Excel, so match spreadsheet with Excel. Next is ribbon. Students, as we know that ribbon is a collection of command tabs, so match ribbon with command tabs. Next is active cell. Active cell is a currently selected cell, so match active cell with the currently used cell. Next is name box. Name box displays the cell reference or cell address, so match the name box with cell reference. Next is autofilling. Autofilling is the use of fill handle, so match autofilling with fill handle. Last one is predefined formula is function, so match predefined formula with function.